Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to message on Tinder. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's go to your Tinder app. Now on your home screen, you'll see two tabs at the top, flame icon and a chat bubble. Now click on that. Now under the message tab, you will see your list of matches since I don't have any. Now each profile listed here is someone you've matched with. Both of you swipe right on each other. So to start a conversation, you just have to select the person that you want to message by tapping on their profile. And this will open a chat window where you can type your message. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.